Almost a year ago, I bought my first ever return pallet from Home Depot, and this thing was friggin' awesome. Ka-ching! Since then, I've struggled to find as much glory as I found in that pallet.
Boy, did I get ripped. Absolutely.
It's a pile of hole saws. But today's the day. And this didn't come without a fight. So I've been searching for more Home Depot pallets for months, and I even got Chris involved in the search. While I was on vacation, a few of them popped up. I ended up losing one, he ended up losing one. We got the third. More or less, while I was chasing my 2-year-old around the beach, Chris hit me up and was like, dude, this thing is skyrocketing. The manifest says it's worth $5,027. So we had a little bit of wiggle room, and like I said, we ended up coming in at like $2,100 on the bid, exactly. Kicker though, shipping was $1,300. So this to the date is the most expensive pallet I have bought at a whopping $3,400. Let's rip into it. And this thing should have some good tools because it's got some big boxes in here, unlike the last 3 pallets that we've bought with just a bunch of garbage in it. Oh yeah! Nothing makes me happier than opening up one of these and seeing a power tool that's yellow in a box. We are off to a good start, boys. Oh, there's even more of them. Because Chris was handling this auction, I more or less just said, send it, dude. I trust you here. So if it sucks, it's still my fault, obviously, but we're looking good. Minus, I see a bunch of workmates, and I don't know if you're aware, but that is like one of my least favorite workbenches to ever exist. I actually think my father-in-law has one, and we use it to make sausage around the holidays. Let's get some of this on the workbench and start checking it out.
A lot of chainsaws.
Did someone say a lot of chainsaws? That sounds so much better than a lot of hole saws. Chainsaw and a pole saw aren't the same thing. Damn it! I don't think Chris really knows what yard maintenance tools look like because he looks very confused. What's that one, buddy?
It's a hedge trimmer.
Is it?
I read the box before.
All right, we're getting some of these tiny boxes on the table here. Ooh, this is a set, not whatever. I can't read. These things are mint. They're literally brand new. No idea why they got returned. We got 2 of them. Ton of yard stuff. I'm seeing a lot of Stanley Black & Decker though, and a lot of Ryobi. You're very antsy right now. We gotta open some of this stuff first. Remember, we're making a video. It's not Christmas. We got a little dust buster. And it comes with dust. You can see inside there.
It's like belly button went.
Ah. Ha, this is where they got us. No charger. Oh, it's a very specific charger.
I bet somebody bought it to get the charger.
Just sandbagging sons of bitches. Oh my goodness. We've got a cable. Will it fit? Negative, Ghost Rider.
Negative, Ghost Rider?
Why would they do that? So this one, there's still dirt in it. Whoa, whoa! What do we got in there?
Mulch.
Ah, you gotta love it. Still works though. Well, I guess it's not worth nothing.
More than nothing, less than something.
$10 valuation. Look at the dirt in the box. Couldn't even empty it out. I don't think I could ever get myself to return something like this. Unbelievable. Sam's over there doing absolutely nothing. No, you do them as I tell you. For f***'s sake, bud. Not like a real tool here. I'm not a huge Ryobi fan, but if you're looking to get into power tools, they've got so many affordable options. Look at that, baby.
Just get a look at that.
Yeah, this thing's brand new. Unopened, in the bag, tool only, no battery. Probably showed up to like a real contractor as a gift and like mom bought it or something and they like cursed at him and sent it home. Like, Mom, you can't buy me a Ryobi? God. $99 hairs, yeah. I'm gonna say we're off to a way better start. Last time we got 0 power tools on the Milwaukee box. I was beyond sad. Okay, so this one was opened and is a shear shrubber. That's new, I've never heard of a shrubber. It looks like it could potentially be used in manscaping. No, untouched. These are solid buys. Probably what, $72?
99.
Rack it up. We make it so hard on my editor to do the math, but we're gonna give you a general consensus here in the corner. So we've got some good shit. This, trash. This is good. Crack that sucker open. All right, Ryobi, with your hyper-specific tiny tools. That might be the nicest packaged tool we've ever had. Oh yeah, let's go.
Battery.
Boom, baby, let's go. We're at about $410 hairs. We're not doing too bad. Oh damn, look at this, boys. You get a 40 piece, and you get a 40 piece. And you get a 40 piece.
Yeah.
And you get a 40 piece. Super funny that they got returned. There's 6 of them. That's awesome. We are on a roll. This is sad. It'd be good for like a first work box. I guess it's in good shape. It's just dinged up.
Oh yeah.
Gotta love a nice oil stain down here.
Got dirt in here.
Oh, so she got used.
Oh yeah. Got a project we need
Oh,
to
they
knock
definitely knocked something out, but then they filled up and they kept the battery.
And there's tons of oil coming out of it.
Chain doesn't look in bad shape. Let's put one of our batteries in, see if it works. Moment of truth. That's good. It's supposed to spit bar oil, and you can actually see it coming out. Can you see that?
Yeah, you're different.
Why? 159, ding, ding, ding. All right, before we dive any further into this, I've got to take a second here and thank Mr. Cool for sponsoring this video. If you're not familiar, Mr. Cool provides the most amazing mini splits on the market. I'm super excited to be working with Mr. Cool again to bring some temperature control to the CNC room and to keep Chris and Sam from sweating their boobies off. Since we moved in here, temperature's always been an issue in there. Whether it's too hot, too cold, too whatever, it's always been a problem. So we've installed one of their mini splits using the DIY kit, and this thing goes so quick and easy. It is awesome. We put one in the epoxy room earlier in the spring, and it's been amazing being in there all summer. Sometimes me and the guys just hang out to cool off. And we thought that Miss Piggy deserved a little bit of cooling off for all the work she's been putting in this year. The Mr. Cool DIY unit is so easy to follow along with. It has an instructional video. It comes with all the instructions that you need. All you gotta do is pretty much run the wiring and put a hole in your wall, mount that sucker up there, and you are good to go. It only took us a few hours to get this thing installed, and she is purring. Miss Piggy is super happy and pumped. And so are the guys that get to work in the room, including myself. And I cannot wait to continue to have temperature controlled environment in our shop as we unbox more ridiculous boxes and make more awesome videos for you guys. Thank you, Mr. Cool. If you guys are looking for something awesome to upgrade your space, check them out. Got a link down below. Now, let's get back to the boxes. Open the pole saw because I'll open the hedge trimmer.
Pole saw.
You can't use this without that, and I don't know what the hell that is. And there's a weed whacker attachment, it looks like, too. So that's a pole saw, extendable trimmer. This might be the best thing in the box. This is awesome. Ooh, she's shiny, that's unused. Let's go! Yes! How much you trust me?
We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Yeah, that sounds good.
This thing is cool as hell. This is also unused. Somebody just got this as a gift and said, you're a terrible son-in-law, and returned it. Who would ever do such a... Whatever.
Oh my God, I about got smoked.
I'll say I don't like that wobble, but this is made to be used this way.
Just 3 together, 577.
Let's go. So for everyone that's yelling at their computer or phone or wife or whatever, I'm not looking to resell these. I'm just looking to see how much value I got. And then if you were in the resale business, you could potentially, you know, kind of do something like that. Right now, I think we're floating around like $1,000 in value so far, and I spent $3,400. That's retail. I think I want to hold off on all the Black & Decker stuff till the end because it looks like most of it's Black & Decker.
What about this box?
Not yet. Unmarked mystery box. It sounds floppy. It's orange. It looks like a weed whacker. Extendable head. I will say I do love an electric weed whacker. It's so much nicer than a gas-powered one. Bam! America!
Tools are still in the bag. Yeah.
We got a battery. We got a charger. We got a tool in a bag. Another tool in a bag. This is the XR 20 volt max combo kit. Hammer drill, impact driver. This is a freaking great set.
How much do you want for those?
I want your life. Ding ding, $379. So we're up past $1,000 and we still haven't even got into those benches down there. This one caught my eye immediately when I opened the pallet. Coil roofing nailer. Bam, bam. Let's see if it turns on. Sweet. I'm not liking the look of the rest of these boxes. If you're not familiar, Dewalt has their tough system.
I'll show you tough.
These are 2 parts of it. I don't know what's going on. It even has the pamphlet in it. Perfect. And this one has these drawers. It's broken, but it still works. Like you can easily do that. It is missing the handle. I've seen worse. So like 65 bucks for this box alone. We'll probably put $100 value on the whole stack. Still works, so I'm not counting it out. It doesn't say anything. All right, we'll save those till last then.
Show me what's in there, come on.
I guess let's get into this junk. This is stuff makes me sad. After all these like huge wins, just gotta start with the good stuff. It's backwards of the old days, right? When you used to like hold out till the end and people would watch a full video. Thank TikTok. That is everything I think that has yellow on it from Dewalt. I think we got like 1,200 bucks in value out of it. I don't know, someone else do the math. It'll pop up on screen here. But a ton of awesome tools. And speaking of awesome tools, we've partnered up with Dewalt again to bring you some more awesome tools. And because we love you guys so much, and Dewalt loves you too, we are giving away another one of these tool combo kits. Not only one of them, but 2 of them. Doesn't cost you anything to enter. All of the information is down below in the description. If you want to put one of these in your shop and be like one of our last winners, check out the link down below. Get entered to win. Love you, Dewalt. Thank you. Now, let's rip open the rest of these tools. We've got a couple Black & Decker tools, and we've got these Stanley sawhorses, which are pretty cheap, 40 bucks for the pair. I just prefer a wooden sawhorse. This is corded, which is unheard of these days, and nice and used. Let's go. How did they use this though? And then they literally left this on. So they were out there like trimming the hedge, left this on, this bag, and then put it back in the box.
Well, I mean, they could have had zip ties at home.
Maybe I'm just dreaming of someone just out there. First hedge clippers I ever used were Black & Decker like this. My dad gave me a $1 a day rate. Brutal. $99. Probably worth 50 bucks. And then we've got 2 string trimmers. Will this one be as nice as this one? What do you think, Joe?
Brand new, battery included.
Joe's going 100% golden. Ooh, baby. This thing's brand new, unused. Joe knew somehow.
What if the battery's attached?
Power, we don't know because it doesn't have an indicator. Okay. These are different though. Takes a 40 volt battery. Damn it. So this thing's brand new, unused. I'm not gonna use it because I wanna give it to someone maybe. 80 bucks here, okay.
Is coming in at $79.79.
Whoa! That is what you called, I think it's called a 3-tier, like 3-stack marketing system where they like price something in the middle, really close to the high one, so you buy the high one because it's only $5 more and you increase the perceived value. The Black & Decker tools look way better than what they used to be as far as like feel goes. Wouldn't you agree, Sam? That thing feels a little bit better than that trash we used to get back when we were kids. See, Sam here looks like he's 26. He's actually 66. What's our total tally to? Do we know? Do we have any idea?
$2,606.03.
That's way more than I was thinking. We haven't really had any absolute trash yet, which is incredible because the last 2 pallets have had like dumpsters full of trash. Leaf blower, compact. How this fits in this box, I am baffled. There's no way that's used. That thing is mint. I'm not pulling that. I won't be able to get it back in. Instructions included. Freaking shit's expensive. We got another leaf blower, and this is a bagger. Mulcher, blower vacuum mulcher. I'm pretty sure that's completely untouched. There's no way an adult could get that back in there with that much efficiency. I'm not opening it. I'm letting it send. I'm sending it. We're trusting it. Which is probably stupid.
What's a mulcher?
Oh, so you can put mulch inside the bag and it blows it out?
No. You hear that? No, you suck up like leaves and it mulches them and turns them into like mulch.
Basically.
Yeah. 71.42. That's not bad. The next problem we've got on the horizon, 14 of these are on the pallet. I don't like these work tables, but they are so common and popular, unopened. And the box is just, they're packaged so well though, I don't want to take them out. Also, I have so much disdain for them, I think it'll upset me.
4028.
4028. Wow. Wow. 10-inch cordless string trimmer edger kit. It should come with a battery. Ding, ding, ding. You see it? Brand new. I mean, if you're looking to get into tools for cheap, Ryobi's not bad. 2 for 2. I'm guessing these are 100 bucks. 100 bucks? So someone took this one out, put it on the charger. Not brand new. So we're 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
2 out of 3 ain't bad.
So we now have those 2 mystery boxes that are unlabeled. So usually in these return boxes, we get like a mountain of random stuff thrown into a box. That's just awful. And it looks like we got random stuff in a box. That's not that awful. Ah! Ah!
Oh, it came with the battery.
Yes!
2 10 amp hour 20 volt batteries. The higher the ampere hour gets on a battery typically is the more expensive the battery gets. Couple rigid brushless boxy. This is awesome. Stop touching stuff. Give me the other one. Just crack them both open. Come to daddy. Come on over here, son. She sounds good. It's a good thud. What's the value of the thud? We're putting lunch on the value of this box.
$217.
I like it.
$8.99.
Wow.
See, I'm gonna go with Sam because it said it was $5,023 and I think we're around $3,000 for everything except that box and this box. I'm gonna go with right around $9.99. Bob Barker just died. You can't go over.
Now you've had enough.
R.I.P. Son, this might be a gift to me box. Look at that, baby. A pack out bit set. But yeah, no, we're definitely way over on me and Sam. They're all bits. Bag of bits, box of bits, bag of bits.
Little bit.
You guys buy me lunch? How does this work now?
Yes, you get to pick lunch for me one day and then lunch from, actually I gotta buy both of them because I think that's done. Fair labor standards violation for me to force Sam to buy you lunch.
Right to jail.
We don't leave the shop. What the fuck's wrong with you?
Blinking twice, guys. Send help.
So let's add this sucker up first. We've got a $259 a battery. That is $518. Math. Job site charger, they're calling it. I wonder why this was open and closed. Plug that in real quick, bud. Oh, dumb. Oh, this one might be right up your alley, Sam. We've got an 18-volt portable power source. You can plug a battery and strap it on your hip, and then you'll never run out of juicy while you're listening to your conspiracy theory podcasts.
Basically space aliens.
No! That's normal. I don't know. Problem in the power line. What does that mean? It's not coming. We don't have any indicators. 2, 3. I'm lost. You know what? You live your life. Yeah, we'll put that in the tentative pile of nothing. So the batteries are good. That's good. Rigid power bay thing. Another charger. Brand new. Look at this sucker. Unused. No battery. There's 4 of these. Wow. You're gonna end up winning because there's 2 of those over there. An inflator. It's like a work surface blower is what they call it. You can use this thing to like blow up an air mattress. 2 of those. We've only had 2 things that are like trash so far. This has been, I think, the best box we've ever got. This one's not even open. And then this is the Black & Decker stuff that we are all used to seeing. So this mystery bag here, we got 2 20-volt batteries and a charger, a piece of paper. Wonder, why would they just do batteries in a bag? The final box for all the marbles. And I don't know if you guys are aware, but Chris eats a lot of protein, so I really don't want to lose this bet. We're starting off. 129, there's 2 of them. Now we're looking at 50-piece impact drill and drive sets. We got 3 of them. They all look complete too. These things are nice. The man used to be a school teacher, so we know we can read.
35.97.
We're at 363 low end. We're then looking at 4 35-piece impact driver bit sets plus 22 plus 22 plus 22 plus 22. Is that 4? 451. Now we have, oh, what's this hidden in here? This is not the same. You sneaky bastard. 75-piece, oh, it's the same, it was just upside down. 4 75-piece impact drill and drive sets. This includes a 9/16 and ½ inch socket. These things are actually sick. Look at that. Just get a good look at that. We're at 711, and it's all gonna come down to the pack out. 70-piece pack out bit set. In the pack out. Impact driver bit set.
I watch Sam, he's over here math and he's gonna lie. You're like $200.
It says it's $170 value plus 199. So much tension, so much protein.
Texas State Brazil, here we go.
I've been asked to leave multiple Brazilian steakhouses. Like, sir, turn the button to red and go home. Yeah. Okay, now we're down to the wine. We're so far it's $711. It's all brand new.
I think this is it. $160.
160. Oh, 871. Sam was over by what? $28, right? Yeah. Damn. Chris wins with 270 bucks.
17.
I don't know about that.
But lunch is on me, protein on you. Sam's got to get back to work. After all of that, we've got a grand total value of $5,517.10 on this pallet, which I think, even with the shipping, is well above what I paid for it. And if I was to use all this stuff, I got a hell of a deal. This has been the best pallet I've ever bought. I 100% think I got my value for the first time in a year out of a pallet. But I don't actually know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff. So if you've got a suggestion, leave it down below, and then let me know, what company returns should I be buying next?